Okay, Roxy's going to show us how she seeds the peppers. You want to tell us what you're doing there, Roxy? Remember, over here.
I'm seeding them in and digging them in so they grow on the dirt.
Okay, can you show us again? How many seeds do you get?
2.
Oh, 2 seeds? Why do you get 2 seeds?
Because I plant them.
Okay, and then, whoa, over here. And, how do you know where to put the seeds?
Because I know how to plant them.
Do you remember what we call that? Little indentation?
A little indentation.
Do we call it a nest? You're going to put the seeds in the nest? Over here.
I already know.
And then what do you do? What are you doing there? What do you call that?
I'm digging it up.
Oh. Or putting them to bed? Covering them up?
Yep.
Great. One more. One more nest needs filling, it looks like.
Yep, I'm gonna do one more in, and then maybe over.
Okay. Remember which one you got left to put in? Perfect.
Nice. And my very over, guys.
Good job. Thanks, Roxy.